guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for coming. If you're new, welcome. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below, and turn on those notifications, girl, because you don't want to miss any videos. All right, today this video is going to be about my Boxycharm December box. So I'm going to unbox it for you. I don't know what's in here. I haven't opened it. So I literally saved it to open it with you guys. So let's see. If you're not familiar with Boxycharm, Boxycharm is a $21 a month subscription and you get full-size beauty products. So a beauty product could be anywhere from a palette, a brush, you know, facial care, lipsticks, lip gloss from name brands. I like Boxycharm because it is full size. If you're new to makeup or you want to get into makeup but you don't want to necessarily go out and spend a whole lot of money, you can get Boxycharm and just pay it monthly, and your products will build up, and little before you know it, you'll have an abundance of things. I started out with Ipsy. I like Ipsy, don't get me wrong. They are cheaper than Boxycharm, so if you want to start out with Ipsy, you can. You get about 5 things in a little bag each month. But I don't think I've ever gotten a full size with Ipsy. But I like Boxycharm because they are full size, but just, I think, $11 more. You get full size. So let's get into the December box. Ooh, I see goodies. All right. And again, if you're new, it comes with a card, and it has everything that's in the box on the back in the description about that item. So it looks like I got the Tarte shimmering lip paint from Tarte. And this is what it looks like. All right, and this retails for $20. And if you guys are interested in Boxycharm, I will link it in the description below. This is what the packaging looks like. It looks like something I wear. All right, let's swatch this. I mean, I have on lip gloss, but ooh, it's pretty, y'all. It is pretty. This is definitely something I would wear. It's really thick. I'll show you what it looks like. It's really thick, but you can't ignore that. I don't know, it's really pretty. Maybe I'll put some on. Why not? Can't really tell a difference from the lip gloss that I already have on. It smells good. Kind of smells like coffee or something. Could be me. I'm weird. Okay. And then the next product I got is a Bodyography Heatherberry lip pencil. I need a new lip pencil. And I think that's the color I was needing. Just a basic pencil. And this retails for $12. Look, I done already got my money back. Like $21. This retails for $20. This retails for $12. Like, I already got my money back with 2 products. Like, you can't beat that at all. And then the next thing I got is Cosmedix, like with the X, like with the X. I could be saying that wrong. Is a Detox activated charcoal mask. Y'all, when I just say I got my money back, this retails for $30. Like, you can't beat to pay $20 a month And this thing right here alone costs $30. Like, I definitely suggest that if you want to get into makeup or if you just want full-size products for a nice price, you never know what you get, but y'all, you get your money's worth. So the next thing is Pretty Vulgar, and this is a matte translucent powder. It's called Matte About You, and this retails for $32, y'all. $32. I don't know why I smell stuff. I should stop doing that. My mom always told me not to do that. Comes with a cute little, but just your basic translucent powder. Alrighty. Y'all, I got a palette. Y'all, I got a palette. I never know how to pronounce this company. I'm just gonna show y'all. Suva. Somebody tell me how to pronounce it, because I can never pronounce it. Anyway, got this palette, and this retails for $34. Yo, it's pretty. Like, look at this. Can y'all see that? Like, this is so pretty. So pretty. So, again, you pay $21 a month, and you get, I got 5 items, so about 5 to 6 items you get each month. You can watch videos on what you would get, or you can just let it be a surprise, and when you get it, it's like Christmas all over again. But I mean, I like that. This month's box, so just 3 of these things equals $96. So I got over $100 worth of product for $21. Like, this is something that I definitely recommend for people, again, that want to start out in, you know, makeup or just any kind of like beauty collection. Like, this little thing is $20, and I got it for basically free because I only paid $21 a month to get this. So I definitely recommend. Again, I will leave the website address down in the description. And I did get all of these lovely things. I may try this out tonight and let you guys know my thoughts on that. That was my December Boxycharm video and unboxing. Thanks for watching, guys. If you're new, again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. Hit the bell so you can get notifications when I'm posting, because you don't want to miss a video. Thanks for watching.